So, percent change question. When it's not given to us with a percent change question, our first step is always to figure out what the change is. So here, we're given number of customers per week, but we need actually the change in customers over the set of 2 weeks. So from week 1 to week 2, that's 4 more customers in week 1 and week 2. And then we've got 6 more customers here from 9 to 15. 15 to 23 is a change of 8 customers. 33 from 23 is a change of 10, and from 33 to 59, that's a change of 26 customers. So obviously the biggest change comes in the last week. But what we care about, remember, percent change is always change over original, and then we do times 100%. And so what we're going to do for each of these choices is just calculate the percent change. So from week 1 to week 2, we've got a change of 4 and an original value of 5, right? So that's 4 over 5 times 100%, which is going to be 80%. So week 1 to week 2 is 80%. That's our leader because it's the first one we tried. Then we do week 2 to week 3. That's a change of 6 from a starting value of 9. 6 over 9 times 100% is going to be, well, that's 2/3, right? So that's 66.666. Let's just call it 66.7%. That's not as high as 80%, so we're going to cross off week 2 to week 3. From week 3 to week 4, we've got a change of 8 over the starting customer value of 15, right? So 8 over 15 times 100%. And you can kind of do this in your head and see, well, 8 is about half of 15, right? A little more than half. 8 over 15, if I'm going to calculate that on my trusty calculator here, that's 0.533. So 53.3 repeating percent. Again, not big enough, so we're going to cross off C. From week 4 to week 5, we've got 10 as our change, and 23 as our starting value. So again, you can take really one look at that and recognize that's actually going to be less than 50%, right? 10 over 23, that's going to be roughly 43.5%. So that's not going to do it either. So D. Now E is actually the most tempting looking of the ones besides week 1 to week 2, right? So we need to be 80%. And when we look at weeks 5 to 6, what we have right now is we've got a change of 26 over a starting value of 33 times 100%. We put that in the calculator. 26 over 33. Ooh, that's pretty close. 78.8%. That's pretty close to 80%, but it doesn't beat it. So, cross off E, the answer is A. From week 1 to week 2, we see the greatest percent change, even though it's the least change.